Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. First of all, apologies there's no live stream today. There was going to be, but unfortunately I woke up a bit later than I planned to. I set my alarm for 9:30, and as you know, when it goes off you have a habit of turning it off and going, oh, 5 more minutes, and that turned into 2 hours. So obviously I needed my sleep. As you can see, I had a bit of a drill collision when I was filming one of the heart coasters. That's going to be up a little bit later on tonight, just to make up for, obviously there's no live stream. But what we do have is a Temu unboxing. As you can see, today is Saturday and it's hello. So yeah, this came yesterday, but 2 came instead of 1. So one was the one down here was the one that was on something to do with a plane that missed its connection or something, and then this one was on time, so I did get £4 credit for this one. So we'll go into that one first. And inside here we have a special drill, people. I'm so excited about this. Now, this was a recommendation. As you can see, it's not the normal colour I would normally go for because I can't stand purple. But when you see this, look, can you see what that is? Looks a bit like what we call a Knickerbocker Gloria, which is quite a massive ice cream. It's like all different layers of ice cream and stuff. So yeah, this popped up as a recommendation, and I thought, oh my god, look at that. And I thought, oh my god, I've got to have it. Oh wow, look, we've got them funny drills again. Oh my god. Oh, and some red ones. Oh wow, is this a new drill coming out? But look at this. I mean, that is just so me. I love me cakes, I love me treats, I love me sweets. I've got a very big sweet tooth, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I've got to have it. But the problem is every time I look at this, I'm going to want ice cream. That's the only problem. But as you can see, it's a special drill, and the stick is beautiful, really, really lovely. I'm not very keen on the background because I'm not the biggest fan of purple, but that's the only colour that it had when it recommended it. So I think what we've got here is perhaps a Knickerbocker Gloria, probably some sweets down here, and then these look like lollipops. These look like them edible straw things that you can eat, you know, where you suck up the milk and then you can eat the straw. And then you've got what looks like a little cherry or strawberry there. Yeah, strawberry. You wouldn't have cherry in your bloody ice cream, would you? But yeah, it looks like it's raining sweets or something. But yeah, I had to have that. It says optimal glue viscosity, whatever that means. Wow, okay. And the colours here are obviously down here. It's quite a short one. So I reckon we could probably get that done in February, you know. It's quite a short project. And obviously here's your boat, pen, and we have got a pen. Boat, pen, and we've got a pen. I like that. It rhymes, so we got that. And then these are our drills. Now, this is the second time I've seen that drill there. I have never ever seen that drill with the spike things on it before. So is this like a new drill they're bringing out? So yeah, I think that's a new one. And so I don't know if this is going to be these new drills that they're bringing out, but I've seen this the other day on the painting that I did. We've got a red, a blue, and then a purple. But look, they've got like little spikes on them. And I've been painting for 2 years now, and I've never ever seen that drill before. So it's got to be something new they're bringing out. We've got a pink, we've got an orange, sort of browny colour, a green, a yellow, a blue, and a sexy pink there. Wow. Yeah, I quite like these drills. So that's our first one. Now this, again, it was another recommendation. And when I saw it, my love for America, I had to have it. I think America's such a fantastic country. And when you see it, you'll understand why I went for it. So in here, it is a pendant. They could have put it in a box because pendants are not suitable for mailing bags because it's made of acrylic. That's prone to snapping quite easily. So they really ought to be putting this in a bag, in a box. because all it takes is for that to get a bit damaged and then it's broke. But I reckon we'll be okay. But are you ready, people? It is a pendant, but look at this. Isn't that giving you the USA vibe here? Red, white and blue. I'm sure that's the, or is it the UK flag? I can't remember. Our Union Jack is red, white and blue, but isn't America red, white and blue as well? Oh well, America or England, it's giving me that vibe, but I just had to have that. It's a flower pendant, and yeah, now I think about it, I think it might be, our Union Jack is red, white and blue, so it might be the Union Jack colours, I'm not sure. But in here, look at this, I just need to have a look at this first. Look at that. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god, is that a crack? What is that line? Oh, there's no crack on it. As I say, for some reason they put me in mailing bags and they really need to go in boxes, but look at that. I mean, isn't that so, it's Britain's Got Talent vibe, isn't it? You know that logo on Britain's Got Talent? It's giving me like a Britain's Got Talent vibe, even with the stars, look. Oh wow, perhaps we should save it for doing Britain's Got Talent, but look at that, it's just, oh, it's so lovely. And you've got a red sort of thing coming out of the plant with like little polyps on it, so yeah, wow. Even the leaves are quite lovely, and I thought, oh, I've got to have that. And you've got a hole here and a hole here, so it will, you know, hang. Or again, you don't have to hang it, you could just put it on your shed or something, you know, or, you know, hang it on the wall. Put a bit of command strip on there or whatever they call it, and yeah, but oh yeah, okay, it's a little bit good, but as you can see, I went for that, and it's just, I had to have it. Okay, so we've got a boat pen and wax, and then as you can see here, we've also got the little keychain, so that's for hanging it up. And then these are our colours. Oh, someone's had a bit of a malfunction with that. Fold it up there. And as you can see here, we have ourselves a red, a blue, a beautiful pink, a gorgeous ocean Titanic necklace blue there, a light blue, an orange and a silver. So yeah, I really like this. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you think, whether that's your favourite or is it this ice cream. I'll put the links in the description of the video. We have got a Vinted haul coming up soon. That's actually on its way to the locker today, so it should be with me perhaps over Monday or so, but it will arrive today. It's just obviously I need time to unbox it and film it, you know, so that might be Monday. We'll save one for next week, but anyway, if you want these, I'll put the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, on the way out, if you could give the video a like, share and subscribe, that would be most appreciated. Thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.